Hi friends, welcome to Rasul Sensor channel. Have a nice day. Please like and subscribe and share my channel. Kuwait halted on Saturday direct commercial flight from 9 African countries, namely South Africa, Namibia, Botswana, Zimbabwe, Mozambique, Lesotho, Eswatini, Zambia and Malawi. Head of the Government Communications Center and official cabinet spokesman Tariq Al-Misaram said. Al-Misaram made the statement to Kuna after the meeting of the Ministerial Coronavirus Emergency Committee on the potential consequences of the emergency of Omicron variant of coronavirus in some African countries. There will be a 7 days continuation quarantine for the Kuwaiti nationals who are coming from these countries, he said. He pointed out that they should show a PCR test when they arrive in the country and make another test in the 6th day of their arrival. Meanwhile, non-Kuwaiti citizens should spend at least 14 days in another country as of Sunday tomorrow as a condition to enter the country, he noted. He urged citizens to avoid travelling at present if not necessary, especially to the country facing a new muted strain of the virus. Kuwait Deputy Prime Minister and Minister of Defence Sheikh Hamad Jafar Al Sabah said on Saturday that the airport and the land and maritime boards will not be shut down. Sheikh Hamad, also head of the Ministerial Coronavirus Emergency Committee, made the statement to Kuna after a meeting by the committee following the emergency of a new variant of coronavirus in some of African countries. He said that the committee discussed the steps relating to the development of the new variant in a number of African countries and decisions taken in this regard. He noted that there are some steps should be followed by those who are inside and outside Kuwait as a result of this strain. The muted virus is dangerous and all countries have decided to halt flight from 9 African countries, he said. This was recommended by the committee and flight will be suspended from some other countries, Sheikh Hamad Jafar noted. The minister stressed that the country's health situation is excellent thanks to Allah Almighty and the effort of our heroes at the Ministry of Health. Meanwhile, Ministers of Health Dr. Sheikh Basir Al Hamoud Al Sabah told Kuna in a similar statement that media dealt with the new variant and the World Health Organization named in as Omicron. Information on the variant is still preliminary and the ministry workers are following these developments, he added. He noted there are several questions that need answers on how quickly the mutated virus spreads, its strength and resistance to vaccine or natural immunity to the previous infection. He emphasized that the health measures implemented since the beginning of the corona pandemic have been still in place. The measures include wearing masks, keeping physical distancing, and taking vaccines and the booster dose for those who have exceeded 6 months from receiving the second dose to reduce the infection, he stated. Thank you for watching my channel.